glorify thy name we died, adorned with hallowed battle scars. Not lust for power for our own sakes, our drawn swords playfulness inspired, nor roamed we hand in glove with death for worldly riches we desired. Our people, had they set their hearts on this world's riches or its gold, not idol breaking would have gone, but idols would have bought and sold. We stood our ground like rocks when once the foe had met our phalanx dread. Before our might the bravest quailed, and vanquished from the battle fled. And those who offered the affront